Hello everybody, this is Ryan, and I'm going to be your instructor for College Algebra this term. I'm excited to get to work with you, and I wanted to make this video to do a short orientation or introduction to this course. So first off, like I said, I'm Ryan, and I'm currently working for Board Public Schools. I'm in the teaching and learning department. My main job tasks are accreditation, data and assessment, things like that. Prior to that, I was a math teacher for 15 years, and I've been teaching math online for a long time. So I'm just excited to get to know you and get to work with you. So I want to just make this video to help orient with the course. So the first thing that pops up, this is Blackboard. Yours looks similar to mine. I'll pop up some different links that you don't have, but I kind of want to go over a few things with you. So first off is our announcements, and you'll see I got some announcements posted in here. Some of these won't appear till later this week, but you'll see some announcements in here, and this is where I post announcements about the course. So here's a welcome one that you've already seen, I hope. There'll be a one for week 1 coming up after the video is done, and then there's some specific announcements based on topics in this course. Now, I do not want you to rely solely on these announcements for topics. These are just supplementary things. You really should work on reading your book and work on the resources from weekly announcements that we'll talk about here in a minute. So that's the place I want to go, is I want to go to some policies. Take a look at that. These are the plagiarism and participation expectations. So for your discussion boards, you'll have typically 2 every week. This week you have 3 because you have intro board. So make sure you're making your initial posts by Wednesday evening at 11:59, and then you need to make at least 2 follow-up posts for each discussion by Sunday. And that's kind of outlined in here. It'll be outlined in the announcement that'll come up here in a little bit. Course materials, the syllabus, you can take a look at this. Course description, take a look at that. Activities and assignments, that's a good one to look at because it kind of describes to you what we're going to be doing. It gives you your weekly assignments and tells you when things are due. One thing I want to note is there's a midterm during week 4 and there's a final during week 8, so we need to make sure we allow extra time for that. And also during week 8, your assignments are due on Saturday and not Sunday. But typically they're due on Sunday. There's some course policies here, things like that. You can see your grades. Let's go weekly materials. Take a look at that. This is where you're going to do your running. So this references your book. So here's the overview. Here's what you need to read this week and work on. Here's your assignments. Here's some additional information about how to take an online math course. I would definitely take a look at this page. It talks to you about what you should be doing and the expectations for this course. Here's your week 1 content. Here's some videos that you can watch, that you should watch to learn the content. Again, you should rely on these and just use mine as supplementary. Here's your problem. These are your practice problems. And then here's your formal assessment this week. And this is what I'll grade. Here's your introduction post. Here's your discussion post. So make sure you're doing that. And again, the initial posts are due by Wednesday. Follow-ups are due on Sunday, and you expect to do at least 1 initial post and 2 follow-up posts. Then week 5 is just some additional resources. Or sorry, page 5 is just additional resources. Here's your assignments. You can see what your assignments are. This is where you'll post them. Here's your discussions. Here's the online cafe. That's where you can post questions to me. Here's the discussion one. So if you click on that introductions, you see I put one in already. All you'll do is click create thread, and then you will type in your introduction. That's where you also follow. And then if you go down a little further, here's week 1 discussions. I've actually just week 1 discussion. So you'll just answer this question, to reply to it. You need to make an initial post by Wednesday, follow up on Sunday. There's information there you might want to take a look at. Let's hear some notes about that. So, again, I'm excited to get to work with you. I hope you enjoy the class. If you need me, let me know. Send me an email. I'll get back to you pretty quick. So, talk to you later.